Moving on to discuss the Netiquette rules and norms for interacting with others on the internet, we have Professor Jasmine Mama, Faculty of the College of Information and Computing Sciences.
Jasmine Janet C. Mama is a graduate of Master in Information Technology in Southfield International School and Colleges, an assistant professor of the College of Information and Computing Sciences. She is currently the program head of BS Information Systems in the Department of Information Sciences. She's been in the university for more than a decade, mentoring students in the field of IT, IS, and other computing courses. Recently, she was engaged in a discussion on Netiquette in the university's radio station through the initiative of the MSU OVCRED together with her fellow colleagues in the college, discussing the series of topics about IT and its roles, issues, policies, and relevance to the community, especially during the new normal. She is a member of the MSU Entrepreneurship Development Team under the Entrepreneurship Training and Program Office of the MSU CRED and a founding member of the Philippine Society of Information Technology Educators.
Assalamualaikum, this is Ma'am Jasmine. As we continue to navigate the paradigm shift of education in the new normal, we maintain to follow the set of rules that encourages appropriate behavior in the online setting. This is what we call netiquette. Netiquettes are the set of rules that we follow in the online world. It represents the importance of proper manners and behavior when communicating with others on the internet. For Mindanao State University Marawi campus, we follow these netiquettes anchored from the core values of the university. Respect other people's time and bandwidth. Make your written communication meaningful and direct to the point to make sure that the time spent reading your words isn't wasted. Do not attach extraneous text or superfluous images to your communication that it will take them to download forever. Always use respectful language in social media, chat room, forum, email messages, and others. Construct your messages in proper sentence form, as all capital letters in the online world are generally perceived as yelling. Please don't forget to express politeness, saying thank you in response to something done or given, please when you request something. These are magic words which express gratitude or politeness. Avoid using exclamation marks and repetitive use of question marks. Use emojis to add emotion to your messages. Respect people's privacy. Don't forward information sent to you without fact-checking. Don't upload photos and/or information that is not yours. Share with discretion. When forwarding an email, use BCC or blind carbon copy rather than CC or carbon copy. Some people might not want their names and/or email addresses publicized to people they don't even know. Don't sign up for newsletters and other communications using someone else's email address. Always ask their permission. Remember, if it is on the internet, it is everywhere. Be careful about sharing your personal information, address, phone number, birthday, etc. on the internet that could put your security at risk. Be of service to others. Do not exclude others. If a freshman is asking something or in need of information which you are aware of, be willing to respond to him quickly and efficiently. find opportunities to go the extra mile, provide educational or helpful advice. Memorable experiences are more likely to be shared with others. Give compassion to others. In this time of pandemic, each one of us has a unique situation at home that might not be conducive for online learning. If we navigate our creativity, physical strength, and intelligence fueled by compassion, then we can make the most out of any situation. Participate actively in class discussions as well as in group activities. Give ideas to talk about if you are asked for your reaction to the topic. Always organize your comments in the discussion forum and avoid getting involved in arguments with other class members. In this time of uncertainty, make sure that nobody gets left behind. Perhaps one of your classmates might have additional or special needs. Communicate and reach out with them. Understand that in MSU, we are living in a place where there is a diverse set of culture, religious beliefs, ethnicity, and race. Learn to interact and coexist with diverse culture, customary, and values. Always practice competence in your work. Demonstrate the ability to perform, achieve, and excel in scholastic activities. Always practice giving acknowledgement and or references to the owners or creators that you used or cited in your projects and other outputs. Avoid plagiarism. Follow the rules. Just like in the typical class, online learning classes also have rules of conduct. Make sure to read them as they vary from class to class. Don't spam. Do not send annoying and repeating messages online. Share your expert knowledge. If you won't say it in real life, don't say it online either. Always remember that communicating online is as good as communicating with real people. Make yourself look good in the online world. Always check for spelling and grammar when communicating. If you are in a video conference, wear proper attire. Know what you are talking about and state it clearly. Be pleasant and polite. Try to be punctual in the schedule set by your teachers. Help keep flame wars under control. Hate speech seems to be widespread in the cyber world. Don't feed the flames. Instead, navigate the discussion back to a more productive direction. As the classes commence, let us always remember these essential rules and norms for interacting with others on the internet. Thank you and wassalam.